Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered how the software you use daily operates seamlessly, almost as if by magic? Well, it's not magic, but it is the result of the tireless work of site reliability engineers, or SREs. These tech wizards ensure the smooth operation of your favorite software applications. Now, you might ask, what is site reliability engineering? It's a discipline within the tech industry that focuses on the reliability and stability of software systems. Think of SREs as the urban planners of the digital world. Just like an urban planner ensures a city runs smoothly, an SRE ensures software runs without a hitch. The role of SREs is crucial in our tech-driven world. They maintain the systems powering our most used apps, from social media platforms to online banking. Through a combination of software engineering and systems engineering, SREs are the hidden force behind the success of today's popular software. Without SRE, your favorite apps might not be as reliable as they are now. Mr. Minipi, now that we know the importance of site reliability engineering, let's dive into how it works in real-world applications. Consider Google, a tech giant that has become so integrated into our lives. Behind the scenes, the SRE team is working tirelessly to ensure that Google's services are reliable, efficient, and scalable. They're the ones making sure that Google Search, Google Maps, and Gmail are up and running smoothly, no matter how many people are using them at any given time. Or take Spotify, the popular music streaming service. With millions of tracks being streamed every minute, the SRE team is crucial in making sure that the service doesn't falter under the pressure. They use advanced monitoring systems to track performance, identify potential issues before they become problems, and implement solutions to ensure that the music never stops. Then there's Netflix, a service that streams video to over 200 million users worldwide. The SRE team at Netflix is tasked with making sure that the service is available and performs well, even during peak viewing hours. They use DevOps principles to automate and streamline processes, making their system more robust and reliable. And it's not just about ensuring that the software is up and running. SRE also plays a key role in facilitating software updates and improvements. Think about how often your favorite apps get updated with new features or performance improvements. Those updates are made possible in part by the work of the SRE team. They ensure that these updates are implemented smoothly and without disrupting the user experience. In all these examples, we see how SRE contributes to the success of popular software. They ensure reliability, performance, and scalability. They use DevOps principles to automate processes, making their systems more robust and reliable, and they facilitate software updates and improvements, ensuring that these are implemented smoothly and without disrupting the user experience. As we can see, site reliability engineering plays an integral role in the success of these software. We've seen how site reliability engineering, or SRE, contributes to software success. But what does this mean for you and me? Picture this. You're using your favorite app, whether it's to catch up on news, check out the latest trends, or perhaps to connect with friends. Everything runs smoothly and you get to enjoy a seamless experience. This is no accident. It's the result of countless hours of work by SRE teams who ensure that the software performs optimally, no matter the load it's under. With the tech world evolving at a breakneck speed, the role of SRE becomes even more crucial. They're the guardians of software reliability, the engineers who make sure that as technology advances, the user experience only gets better. The next time you use your favorite app, remember the unsung heroes of SRE who work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure a smooth experience. We've covered quite a bit about SRE, haven't we? Let's take a moment to reflect. Site reliability engineers, or SREs, are the backbone of our favorite software's success, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure seamless operation. They're the architects of the digital cities we inhabit daily, from social media platforms to productivity tools and even the games we enjoy. Their work is often compared to urban planning, creating robust infrastructures that can withstand high traffic and unexpected issues. They're the unsung heroes, their triumphs often invisible to the end user, but integral to our digital experience. The future looks bright for SREs, As our reliance on software grows, so does the importance of their role. They're not just maintaining our digital landscapes, but shaping them using tools like DevOps to innovate and adapt. So, the next time you marvel at the seamless operation of your favorite software, spare a thought for the SREs who make it all possible.